Hi. This is Shahil Gani. I developed a system for Malawi blood transfusion as a blood bank management system and communication, blood bank management and communication system. Uh, what you're about to see is the product that I developed. It begins with a login screen, as you can see. In order to log into the system, you have to pass your credentials. So in default login, I've created an admin login. Uh, admin with the password. This was supposed to be a dashboard, but due to time I could not finalize the implementation of the dashboard. So that would also serve as a report generation point. The first thing that you see from here menus is user creation. You can create a user given details of that user. Let's say this. Um, Having a number of, that's just for a test, with a password of test as well. Then you say create. uh, the user has successfully been created, though with warning. uh, the other part is register donor registration part. This is a crucial part of the system because it's used to capture the donor details, including the phone numbers. For instance, let me just put my name, and residential area should be at least Kawar. Any remarks you can put there. Select the blood group. These are the groups according to what the system has at the moment. You put there. It may reject if the contact number has already been inputted into the system. For instance, this number is already in the system. I was the one using it. Let me try changing at least one figure. Then create again. The donor has been created successfully. The other part should be a report part, whereby I could not manage to implement everything, but the blood levels, at least I've managed to do so. This section will show you the quantities that we have in the system. As of now, we've only got A plus blood group in the system, which has got a quantity of 3. If we had more, it could have shown us as well. It shows quantity for each group and the consolidated uh, stock value of all the groups that we have in the system. If we had another group there, maybe with a quantity of 5, it could have given us a total value of 8. Uh, Moving on to the next page is where your blood is received into the system using the blood bank number, uh, donor ID. We've got 3 donors in the system at the moment which were created, maybe, and the blood group. Then you update the record. After you update the record, it will give you a feedback that the record has been updated successfully. The other part is the crucial part is the sending message part. If you feel there is need to send a message to a donor, you click on the donor, send message donor. It will show you that it's sending a message to that number. After you pressed OK, the message should go in a message queue. At the moment, this is a message queue that we have. As per documentation, the system has been developed in 3 parts. 1, the database; 2, the interface itself; then the API, the messaging server as the third part. This is the messaging server. Once you've connected the GSM modem to this server, these messages on queue, they'll go through. It's a customized message by the system according to the name of the donor, the organization that's sending it, plus the blood type of the donor that message has been sent to. Moving on, we've got the stocks section. You'll be able to check stocks. As of now, this is what we have in the database. Since we've created one donor, and these are the stock values. So far, the development part, that's what has been done. During the development, they've made so many challenges, and most of all, one of the bigger challenges was the time constraint. I could not manage to implement everything as it was intended to, but at the moment, this is functional and can be used, but it can be used with minimal errors at the moment. Thank you.